Listen, stop what you're doing and pay attention, because I'm getting ready to show you hands down the easiest way to make money online. Anybody can do this. This is not a gimmick. It's only going to take you about 30 minutes a day. My name is Tay Wilkins, and let's get this money. So the first thing that you need to do is head over to clickbank.com, and you want to go ahead and set yourself up a free account. If you don't know, ClickBank is a place where you can promote digital products online and earn a commission for every sale that you make promoting these products. They do have some physical stuff, but it's mainly digital. But anyway, create yourself an account, and then once you do, you want to go ahead and click on Marketplace. All right, and then you want to go ahead and scroll down to e-business and e-marketing, because this is what's going to work perfectly for the method that I'm going to show you today. So go ahead and click on that. Next, you want to go ahead and hit this little box right here that says rank, and you want to change it to gravity. All right, the reason you want to change it to gravity is because it's going to bring up all the products that people are successfully selling at the moment. All right, and as you can see, this one is 280 gravity, so this one is very popular. All right, next one, you got this one, live chat jobs, followed by this one, paid online writing jobs, write app reviews, and then we've got Clickwell. Okay, so these are all real popular. I'm going to take one that's less popular. Okay, so we know people are having success selling it, but not as much competition. But all of these are going to work for this, and as you can see, the gravity is pretty high, so these are selling like hotcakes. All right, so what we're going to do is take this, click promote, generate hop link, get our link, hit copy, and save that for later. All right, then we want to head over to this website right here. It's called myleadsecret.com. Okay, this website is a website where they guarantee you every single day 100 leads, and these leads stack. Okay, so I can show you real quick. We go to and basically how this works is it's a mailing system. What you're going to do is you're going to take those leads and you're going to send them an email and promote this offer to those leads. Okay, and if we select all my leads, you can see I have over 22,000 leads. All right, I do use this system. Okay, and I'll talk about that in a little bit, how I personally use this system. But as you can see, I do use it. I have leads. All right, and like I said, we'll just load an email that I already sent. I'll go ahead and hit load. Okay, as you can see, subject line and my email. Okay, and so you can see I have to wait 24 hours because I've already sent one today. So, well, technically 11 hours because I sent it early this morning, but I did send an email. But basically, you create an email, and right here, this is where I put my affiliate link. Okay, and when these people open up their emails, they'll see that link, they'll click on that link, and if they like the product, they'll make a purchase. Okay, super easy stuff. Like I said, I just showed you this and it only took me a couple minutes. Okay, this site does give you emails. Okay, as you can see, there's emails. They have a bunch of them here. Okay, and all you got to do is copy the email, right? And instead of using this link right here, you just paste in that affiliate link that you got earlier, just like I did, and you put that in the emailer, and boom, you're done for the day. That's it. You send an email, and you put your affiliate link in, and that's it. Like I said, this is the easiest way to make money online. Now, you can promote ClickBank products. Okay, you can also promote this system as an affiliate as well. Now, I typically don't because the commissions aren't high, but I did just to experiment to see if it worked. And as you can see, I've got earnings here, and I can keep scrolling down. Okay, I haven't made much with it. I just started maybe not too long ago, but as you can see, I have earnings with it. Okay, and you get the added bonus of getting bonus leads if you do promote this as an affiliate as well. So it is an option, and this money comes in month over month that people stay subscribed. Okay, so like I said, guys, this is by far the easiest way to make money online. You literally just write an email and you paste in your affiliate link, and when you make sales, you earn commissions. Okay, so they have emails that you can use, and I also have my own 30-day emails that I can give you guys to use. You can see right here. All right, you can copy and paste it, and in these little spots right here, where it says your link here, you just copy in your link, and it's as simple as that. I'm giving you the tools to succeed with this thing. Okay, so getting back to it now, I did say that My Lead Gen Secrets is the easiest way to make money online, but it's not the fastest. It is going to take time for you to build up your leads, okay? And the more leads you have, the more chances you will have to make a sale with this program. So it's going to take some time, but you don't have to sit here and get on social media. You don't have to do paid advertisements, and you have to do all this stuff. You can get up one morning, grab a cup of coffee, make a quick email, hit send, and you're done for the day. And like I said, each day, those leads that you get stack up. So you start with 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, and it'll just keep going and going and going as long as you stick with this system. Okay, so I use this system with a lot of the high-ticket affiliate marketing programs that I promote, and I'll show you on the screen right now the different programs that I promote that I implement this with because it works. Okay, so if you don't believe me, let's go ahead and check out the Facebook page. All right, here we go, and I'll go ahead and refresh it. You got here somebody showing that they made money with the system right here. Okay, you've got people in the comments showing that they've made money with it. Okay, you got somebody else right here saying that they made their sale with it. Here's somebody else showing that they've made sales with the system. Here's another person showing that they've made a sale with the system. Okay, here's another person showing that they made a sale with the system. Here's another person, and it just keeps going and going. Okay, when you do sign up to the system, you want to make sure that you sign up, join the Facebook group, because in the Facebook group, these people are actually helping you. They're sharing the emails and their methods of how they're making money with this platform. Okay, super awesome group. Okay, so My Lead Gen Secret does cost $30 a month. Okay, it is $60 when you first sign up, and then $30 a month every month after that. Okay, it's a great system. Like I said, I use it. Plenty of people use it and they're having success with it. Now, there are some things that you need to know in order to increase your chances of making sales, because you don't want to just do what everybody else is doing. You want to kind of stand out a little bit. And if you guys want to know how to do that, I have a whole dedicated video that shows you exactly how to make this system work for you. Okay, so make sure you check out that video if you join this program. Okay, so that you can have the best chances of making sales and making sales quickly. All right, so with that being said, guys, this video is done. If you found it useful, leave a comment down below. Make sure you check out that video so that you can see exactly how to make this system work for you. Again, it's easy. It's going to take you less than 30 minutes to do this whole thing every single day. That's not a lot of time. And again, you don't have to be on social media dancing and getting in front of a camera and doing all this goofy stuff. You can literally just send 1 email a day, put your affiliate link in there, and make you some money. All right, so with that being said, guys, this video is done. Thanks for watching, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Take care.